Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that's scanned the docket so you don't have to. Sometimes a court clip just magically has everything you want. A lawyer getting fired, claims of racism, contempt by the judge, and much more. And today, Judge Washington's court, Mr. Buckner, gives us all of it wrapped into one fiery package. Tell us what you think of Mr. Buckner by commenting down below. It really helps out the channel. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
S00203.
Carol Lundberg on behalf of the people.
Andrew Bannisworth on behalf of Mr. Buckner. Your Honor, I'm sorry I wasn't able to reach Mr. Buckner at the contact information I have for him, but he is here today. Mr. Buckner, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir. My notes show that we had a bench trial on June 29th and he was not present, so I don't know why. Mr. Buckner, do you know why you weren't in court on June 29th?
Yeah, I had problems with my Wi-Fi at my house. I called the court, but I was actually trying to get in the meeting and all my stuff was messed up. It was storming. Everything was messed up around my house. Cell phone, everything. I was on the phone with the court, but it is,
Well, Mr. Buckner, that was a day and time that was scheduled for trial. I hear you say you were on the phone with the court. The court didn't receive a message from anybody in the clerk's office that day.
Yeah, I called because I actually got in an argument with one of the people on the phone. That's how I know they're gonna remember me. I got in an argument.
And so you were being difficult that day?
Yes, ma'am. I was being very difficult because I was trying to get to you. So they will remember me. They will definitely remember me, ma'am.
That's the thing. You're always honest, Mr. Buckner. All right. Mr. Bannis and Ms. Willingbring, do we want to schedule another non-jury trial date?
Yes, Your Honor. And Mr. Buckner, just so you know, I don't know if you can see the chat, but I guess the phone number I have for you is not good, but I put my cell phone and my email in the chat.
Whatever. My number is good. I never received one phone call from you. I called the courthouse. And you evidently you didn't get the message. And my phone records to show that I didn't receive nothing from you. I didn't even see the text message, nothing.
Mr. Buckner,
I never even heard from you. I haven't heard from you since the last time we talked. You have not even attempted to contact me in any way, form, or fashion. So, I'm not going to sit up and allow you to do this to me.
Sir, you're my client. I work for you. I don't work for the court or anyone else. I can show you all the dates I've tried to.
Listen, man. I called the court too. Stop.
Everybody stop.
No, we ain't gonna do this.
Please, Mr. Buckner.
Yes, ma'am. All right, Miss. This my case is supposed to be dismissed.
Mr. Buckner, I'm gonna ask you one more time.
Okay. Yeah. All right. I want to fire him. I don't want him no more. I want to fire him. Okay. He ain't try to talk to me. He ain't contact me. I want to fire him. He lying.
Your Honor, I'll just say one thing.
1 second, please.
Yes, ma'am.
The record should reflect that I muted Mr. Buckner because he would not follow the court's instructions to stop talking. So he has been muted. Mr. Buckner, I'm gonna advise you very clearly that you need to follow my instructions. If I say stop talking, that means stop talking. Otherwise, I'm sorry, but you may have to be held in contempt of court. Contempt of court is an additional penalty on top of anything else. So please stop talking when I ask you to. It is not appropriate for this type of argument to occur on the record. You're muted, so I can't hear what you're saying. If you want to talk to me, you need to first acknowledge that you will stop talking when I ask you to. And so you can do that by nodding. Is that a yes? Now you may unmute yourself.
Okay. All right. He's fired.
You're fired.
Well, so first of all, Mr. Buckner,
He's fired.
you're still talking. Do you want to be held in contempt?
No, I don't want to be held in contempt. I just want him not to be my lawyer no more.
I heard what you said, so you need to stop talking like I asked you.
You're crazy, man.
So first of all, Mr. Buckner, he's court appointed. If you want to have a different attorney, then what you can do is you can hire your own attorney. This is a court appointed attorney. You don't get to choose who your court appointed attorney is.
Well,
Stop. I'm still talking. Please don't interrupt me. You haven't even had an opportunity to try to establish a relationship with Mr. Bannis. And secondly, Mr. Bannis does not work for the court, so you can't call the court and expect to speak to Mr. Bannis. Mr. Bannis works for the public defender's office. You have to call the public defender's office. Now, what will you like to say?
this is what I would like to say. That lying individual ain't trying to contact me. I have a cell phone that works every day. Okay. So he has not contacted me one time. Okay. I have not received nothing from him. I ain't seen no type of not even a physical notification. So if you couldn't get in touch with my phone, no letter, nothing, email, has an email, everything. So there's no email or nothing. Okay, but then I get this third degree about me trying to not establish. How can I establish that something or some type of communication with somebody who has not tried to establish something with me? So make it make sense, Ms. Washington.
Mr. Buckner, first of all, you two haven't talked, is what I said. So the bottom line is you don't know whether or not he has the correct phone number for you or not. You didn't even allow that conversation to occur.
You know, he never cared to ask about nothing, Miss Washington.
You haven't had a chance to go into a room. If he doesn't have your number, how can he ask you about anything? He's trying to give you the communication to get in contact with him.
He's trying to give me the communication at the last moment. And you sit up here chastising me, and he ain't even trying to contact me.
You're talking over me again.
You asked me a question.
I ain't calming down no more. I'm thinking you trying to calm me down.
You asked me a
No,
question.
I didn't. You already answered that, and I'm telling you some other additional information, and I'm not going to continue to argue with you.
It's not an argument. I'm not arguing with you, man. You know, I just don't feel comfortable with this man representing me. I don't at all. I really don't. You know, I don't know what else to tell you.
Mr. Buckner?
Huh?
Do you want to hire your own attorney?
How can I hire my own attorney when he already in violation of ineffective assistance counsel? He's already in violation. Right there.
Do you want to hire your own attorney? If not, I'm scheduling it for another non-jury trial.
This stuff is crazy. He hasn't reached out to me, Ms. Washington. I live at 685. I have not received no mail.
What does that have to do with today? You didn't show up for your hearing.
No.
I'm trying to ask you something very simple. It doesn't get dismissed today. This is a pre-trial. It gets dismissed at a non-jury trial date, which you weren't there. So my question to you is, do you want to hire your own attorney, or do you want me to schedule for another non-jury trial? Because that's where we are.
All right.
Which one is it?
Just schedule for the non-jury. I am so sick of this, man. All these white people don't care about nobody, man.
Mr. Buckner.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Please behave appropriately.
Can't wait. Look,